papunta kami sa Pizza Hut kasi magse-celebrate ng birthday ni Carla. So ayan guys. Ayan na kami. Dito na kami. Sa Pizza Hut. So kita-kits guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan. Ilang taon ka na, guys? 35th birthday. Carla Estrada.
Say hi naman.
So, ayan. While we are waiting for our order. Salta ka naman. Ayan guys, so, actually, we just came from work, our work, then we go directly here. And, guys, muntik na hindi matuloy. Kasi, maiinit ang mga ulo nila guys because still the weather is very hot. Ayan, so anyway, while we are waiting here, so stay tuned guys. Ayan, instead na maglilimo kami sana, wala. Hindi na yung limo na pinakakaasam-asam. Every Tuesday pala daw kasi porket 69 dirham kaya Tuesday na lang.
Every day except
Tuesday except Tuesday lang.
Except for Tuesday.
So ayan. So stay tuned guys.
So tomorrow. If we have money tomorrow.
Eventually.
So ayan guys, nandito na ang aming order. Ano ba yung three kinds of flavor? Anong flavor to?
Chicken barbecue.
Ayan guys, we have chicken barbecue. Actually guys, it's medium size. So, ayan. And, pwedeng ganunin mo to. Pwedeng ganunin mo to, babe. Ganyan.
Ay, sorry.
And then, the next one is pepperoni. Ayan. So yummy. Yummers. Mga yummers. And then, the next one is Hawaiian, no? Hawaiian. Ayan. Nahulog. Ayan. So guys, kain po tayo. Yummers. Ayan.
Yeah. How you will eat?
Ayan. Yum.
Pray na pray. Yung mga tao naman.
And our birthday celebrant, Miss Carla, Miss Melinda, and Miss Inuka.
Hi.
Ayan guys, oh. Yummers. Ayan.
Hot sauce. Hot sauce? Finish you, then say amen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. guys, kain tayo mga yabos. Kain tayo. Ayan. When is the last time we... Sarah's birthday, no? So, now, today, guys, we are happy because natuloy din sa wakas. Even though, ang daming nangyari kanina, but it's okay. Move on. Move on for the next chapter. So yan guys, instead na limo sana ang limo, yung pinakamahabang pizza sana ang order namin, pero ang nangyari is every Tuesday pala not available, hindi sila nag-ano ng every Tuesday. So ito kasi napili namin kasi wala kami estudyante today, at saka exact birthday niya, maganda naman na mag-celebrate ng birthday ng exactong araw nila. So ayan, di ba rin, may pizza naman pa rin, may pizza pa rin. Anong masarap? So when she will watch this, maybe she will cry because she will miss us. Hi, Sarah. Ayan guys, umirat pa ako ng isa. So, ayan guys. Madilim yung yung pagkaka-video kanina. So, ayan, ulit. Bye na.
Take out pa.
May take out pa kami. So, guys, pupunta kami dun sa may, sa may sakayan ng taxi. Kasi, dito, bawal mag
May mga...
Ayan. Suki na kami ng Pizza Hut dito. Diyos ko, nagmamantik ka. So, ayan. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog, guys. So, lang kami. Kumain lang sa pizza for celebrate the birthday of Carla. So, ayan. Naglalakad kami kasi papunta pa kami sa may sakayan ng taxi. Ay, busog. Too much full. Yan. Tingnan nyo na guys ang kalye. This is Ajman. Ayan. Ito ang Hot Palace Hotel. Ayun ang Dana Mall.